So guys, you see this knife right here? And you see this knife right here? I will never own this knife. This knife right here, it's not even there. Look. See? It's not even there. But let's talk about this knife, you know, opening and see what we got, what you get. I'm late to the game, but that's all right. All right, guys, here we go. The Ozark Trail 7.5-inch folding knife. The knife that went viral. You know, I finally got it. I mean, I never was really interested in this knife, but I said, you know, for 10 bucks, why not? Let me get a close-up on this. There you go, guys. So, here we go, guys. So let's go ahead and open this. Let me get a my box cutter here. I gotta be careful not to get cut. Let's do it. First time trying out this knife, guys, and you know, it's gonna be a beater knife, I'm sure. So you know, they say that this knife is the like the Benchmade Bugout. I never owned a Bugout, so I don't know how to operate this knife. Let's see. Oh yeah, flips pretty good. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty tight. Okay. All right. You have to have, you know, very strong hands to do this. I think I already have arthritis on my hands. You know, I'm much older, so my hands hurt. This finger hurts, right? I feel like like if I, what you call it, sprained it or something. I don't know. There you go. All right. It says China right there. China D2. Yeah, it's pretty good. Opens up nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and weigh this right here, guys. On light knife. All right, I'll weigh this. 78 grams. Okay. Compared to, I got so many different knives, guys. This is the Ultimate Hunter VG1 stainless from Cold Steel, made in Japan. So I figure let me just compare it to some other different blades that I have. 121 grams. This is my Sendy. If you guys haven't seen the Sendy, there you go. I carry this knife every single day with me. 69. Let me zero that out. Okay, turn it back on. All right. Yeah, 67. And look at the size of it in comparison. Okay, so let me go ahead and get some Paracord. See if it's short off the box. All right, so we got Paracord right here. How sharp is it? What? It's not sharp at all. What the hell? Oh, no wonder. No wonder it's not cutting. I forgot I got this in here. Duh. I was doing a little... Let me just take this out. Did I damage the blade? No, I guess not. Probably did. I don't know. I can just touch it up. Let me see. Let's do some Paracord here. Get this out. Cut this. Oh, Let's see. I have to put some kind of pressure on it. Okay. Yep, cuts pretty good. Okay. I know you guys have seen so many videos on this knife, guys. Yeah, let me get the paper. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, something going on. Alright, so you know what I'm gonna do? I think I messed up the edge a little bit because of what I did before. I was cutting through that chain thing. It is gonna be a beater knife anyway, so let me just touch it up with my knife steel here. Remember, a knife steel is supposed to put the edges straight again. You know, if it's bent over or something like that, it's not really, you know, sharpening the knife, just straighten out the edges. All right, let's see. Let's see. I might have to use my work sharp to sharpen this. I have a work sharp machine. Okay. Well, I think it's a good beater knife. Like everyone says, this is the Ozark, not Bugout, the Ozark Budge-Out. It's a budget knife. Budge-Out. That's what they've been calling it online. Anyway, so I like the way it opens. You know, opens up fast. Enough said about this knife. I'm not gonna go through tests like other people. I've seen other people do the torture test, throw it on the ground, stab a piece of wood, you know, doing so many things, stabbing on a stump, you know, and just bending it over, popping out staples. I'm not gonna do any of that. I just wanted to get my, you know, get it on camera, my first reaction. So, not a bad beater knife, you know. See if I can close it with one hand. Yep, I can. I could do this all day. Okay. You know, I've been messing with this knife for a while. This is just fun to be doing this. And I can say this is my favorite, very, very inexpensive knife. It's just nice and smooth. Flicking this all day. And what I like about it too is that, I'm gonna show you guys. When you close it, oh, it closed all the way. Okay, what I was gonna show was it like stops there, but you can get it closed all the way if you like. There you go, one-handed. Look at that. Wow. And is it centered? Let's find out. Let's put this back in here and let's see if it's centered. It's just a little bit off centered. I know there's a way to get it centered, but jam a piece of paper in there or something. I don't know. I think I seen a guy do that. He centered his knife. He showed a way. But there you go, guys. In the pocket clip. The only thing I don't like is the screws that are, you know, if you put this, it's not like deep pocket carry, and the screws stick out. So this is gonna be hitting your pants right there. If you guys can see that. And the screws do stick out a little bit on the inside, but I can always take out the screws and just, you know, sand it down a little bit. But actually it's not even touching the blade. See, it's not even touching the blade. I don't know if you guys can see that. So anywho, D2 steel. D2, just like my rock sound multi-tool here. It's where is it at? Here it is. D2 also, guys. How much does this one weigh? I've been carrying this one, not the other one. This one, I like the scissors on this one. So let's see. 123 grams, right? If you guys can see that. 123 grams. Oops. I'm putting my finger on it so it's more. Now it says 122. Okay. 122.77. It's a light knife, guys. All right. There you go. Guys, if you need a knife, very inexpensive knife, get this one. Beater knife. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll just be here all day. Just kidding. Take it easy, guys.
In a world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, building something new. From the blaze and cut to the multi-tools break, come discover the magic. We'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, Harbor Freight's call. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about. Like, share, and follow.